which is a good source of protein.
Protein.
Okay. So in this food chain, each one is dependent on the other
Yes.
for the source of food. See, sheep depends upon the plants and we depend upon both plants and sheep.
Yes.
Okay. What is that? We are consuming, no? We are called as consumers.
Yes. And the green plants that prepare food for
Plants are called
us,
as
sheep and men, and humans are called producers. The plants are called producers.
plants
And
are called producers, and the other
yes.
things whom we feed on, we are called as consumers. Okay.
Yes.
Now we
Consume.
are going to see the types of
Consume.
leaf. Yeah, consumers, we are eating it, right?
Yes. We eat the sheep and the grass.
Yes. Not literally glass, leafy vegetables we are eating, right?
Yeah.
That is what.
And
Grass, we do not feed on grass, but we eat the leafy vegetables, spinach,
yeah.
that is, which are all good for our health. Okay, and
Mm,
vegetables are also produced by plants only. Wheat,
yes.
tomato, brinjal, onion,
Yeah.
right? These are all the products which come from plants. Okay.
Mm,
Okay. Shall we move on to the next slide?
yes, please.
Okay. Okay. In which part of the plant food is produced?
Leaves. The
Yeah.
leaves produce plants.
Okay. Uh, Already I told before you that there are many different types of leaf.
Yeah.
See, there are
There are
simple
lots.
leaves, compound leaves. The first picture is simple leaves.
No.
The second
What's
picture
a
is
compound
compound.
leaf?
Yeah, compound
That.
leaf is it consists of many simple leaves.
Oh, okay. Like
See, many
this
separate
one.
leaflets
This
are
one.
attached.
This
Yeah.
one.
Yes, very good. See, many simple leaves are attached to that petiole. That is blade, leaf blade. Okay.
Simple leaves consist. Ew, what's a leaf blade?
Leaf blade is the center part.
And what is the petiole?
Petiole is that this
The part that connects the stem and the
and the
leaf.
leaf. From the
Yes.
stem only the leaves will come out, right? That part is called petiole.
Okay.
Oh, okay, now shall we see? See what does that leaf contain? We'll see the parts of a leaf. The
Yes,
center
like
line is
it
there in the
contains the
third picture,
blade,
right?
midrib, vein.
Yeah,
Here are the like structures here. Here are
yeah.
all
These
the
are
veins.
the parts of a leaf.
Yeah. What's a midrib, ma'am?
Midrib is the center line, Summer.
Oh, I understand. Yeah.
Okay, this
Okay.
is that. And from the center line, other lines are coming. No, that is called as veins.
Well. Oh. Okay.
Then the surrounding part is called as
What?
leaf
What are
blade.
the blades like? Oh, the blades are the carved part of the.
Yeah, curved part of the leaf. And
Yeah.
the petiole is the point which attach the stem and the leaf.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Are you clear with this concept? There are three types of leaf.
What a compound leaf is made up of separate
Simple leaves. Yes.
leaflets attached by
Yeah,
a
simple leaf.
petiole to the stem. Oh, okay.
Okay, we'll move on to the next slide.
Okay.
Okay. Already you have told that most plants have that is, they prepare their own food with the help of sunlight, water, energy. Okay.
Yeah.
See why the leaves is green in color.
Yes. And the leaf makes its food by sunlight, water, and carbon
Carbon
dioxide, and it
dioxide. Yeah.
provides us food and oxygen.
Okay. See, that is it contains the compound called chlorophyll. That is why it is green in color.
Yes.
Okay. and this process is called as photosynthesis.
Okay.
Shall we move on to the next slide?
Okay.
Okay. See,
What
in the
is?
last before slide, we have seen the parts of the leaf. See, if you keep a leaf under a microscope and see, you will see small holes in the inside.
Ah,
That
yes.
is
The
called as
stomata
stomata. Yeah,
is like the stomach of the leaf.
stomata
I
are the
don't know.
small pores. Okay, which is
Yes.
present in the leaf
What are the use of stomata?
because it only takes in air. Okay. See, the sunlight, how it will be absorbed? It will be absorbed through the stomata of the leaves.
Oh, okay.
Then,
So it's the gate. It's the gate.
you told that it also has it also needs water and nutrients, right? That it will be
Yes.
taken by the root from the soil, and sunlight will be taken by the leaves.
Yes.
Okay. Then all of them process and they will produce sugar.
Oh,
That is
okay.
glucose in the presence
What's
of chlorophyll and
glucose?
sunlight. Yeah, that is the food.
Leaves use carbon dioxide and water to make glucose. Oh, it's sugar.
Yeah. See, do you know if we don't water our plants for 2 days, it will not die. Have you seen that? If we
Wait.
one day if we forget to pour the water to the plant, it will not die. Have you observed that?
Yes. I once.
Yeah. That is because it stores the extra starch substance. Okay.
I
When we
even
don't
grew
water.
a little cherry plant.
Oh, okay. That
Cherry
this
plant.
starch will be stored in the leaves. Okay,
Yeah.
that will be stored later. Sometimes there is no sunlight, right? At that
Yes.
time it will use the food which it has prepared before.
Yeah.
And as I told before, we inhale oxygen, right? This oxygen is produced during photosynthesis.
Yes.
Okay, and it
And
is
it's
also
released
released
through the
through
stomata.
stomata. It takes in carbon dioxide also in stomata, and it is also released through stomata. Oxygen is released through stomata. Stomata.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. This they have given a experiment. Okay. We
Yeah.
have seen
I
that
once
there is.
grew a little sapling of a cherry.
You want to? What, Summer?
I once grew a little sapling of cherry.
Oh, whether the cherry plant growed well?
No, it died.
Okay. What happened? Why it died?
Um, it didn't get that much good sunlight.
Okay. Try growing the plant in the period when you receive sunlight. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Better you try indoor plants, Summer. It doesn't need much sunlight, right?
What's an indoor plant?
Indoor plant is the plant which can be grown inside the home itself.
Oh, okay.
Even we can grow that. It is for purifying the air inside our home.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, I understand.
Okay. Ma'am will show you. Ma'am will say you an experiment. Do you know that leaves take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, right?
Yeah.
If you cover a plastic cover in the plant, and if you leave it for 2 days, you will see tiny droplets inside that
Ooh,
plastic sheet.
that's interesting.
Yeah, that will show that you will come to know that the plants breathed. That is an easy
Um,
experiment.
okay.
Okay. See here, they have given an experiment to test the starch. Okay, first we have to take the leaf and boil it in the spirit, and we
Oh,
have to keep it on a flat surface.
Yeah.
Okay, if you put a few drops of iodine on the leaf, it will turn blue-black.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's interesting.
Okay. We'll move on to the next slide.